Look around you. What do you see? I see green everywhere. I see leaves. I see trees. These trees have been standing here now for hundreds of years, I guess. Um, because one of the one of the most interesting cultures in Europe is the fact that they try to maintain their forests so it looks healthy. And there is always winter, there is always summer, there is spring, there is autumn. And all of these changes in the weather conditions, they also affect the trees just the same way they affect us as human beings.